Alright, I'm currently here at the Yellow Garage at the Galleria Dallas in Dallas, Texas, and over at the elevators, the former Fujitecs. These are already getting modded. I was just about to take a final ride on this, and look, they already slept on these disgusting looking fixtures. I was just on the 7th floor, but they were doing some modernizations up there, and still have the original indicator right here. But other than that, these are already getting modded. This is the last of the original. They're getting modded. So do I understand the middle car is the last of the remaining cars that still has the original Vanity fixtures, and it is currently out of service, being dismantled and replaced with these generic Innovation Prestige parts, like seen in the elevators by Tower 1, that are the former Schindler Haughtons, and the ones by Tower 2, the Fujitecs in Green Garage. So it's sad to see these go, and I took a final ride on these a couple years ago, and I already knew these were going to be modded one day, because after I saw what happened to the former Schindler Haughtons and the Fujitecs in the Green Garage, I already knew that these Fujitecs in the Yellow Garage by Tower 3 would end up the same way. Like, look how disgusting that lantern is. And yeah, I wanted to take a final ride on the middle car, but then I realized it was out of service, so it's sad to see that these are going bye-bye, and these are the last of the remaining original elevators that have not been untouched or modded yet.